When you think of God, you might think of an old man with a beard in the sky. And although this is what we commonly think when we hear God, this doesn't tell the full story. All Christians believe in the Trinity. Whether you are Catholic, Orthodox, Lutheran, Baptist, all Christians believe in the Trinity. It is the most essential Christian dogma. And if you don't believe in the Trinity, you aren't a Christian. So what exactly is the Trinity? Well, God is three divine persons, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. The Father and the Son send their Spirit, the Holy Spirit, to us. They precede the Holy Spirit. The three persons are all God, but they are one God, not three gods. There is one God. They are not parts, meaning they are infinite, and they have one will, mind, substance, and nature. God is one being who is eternal. Wait, but how can 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal 1? 1 plus 1 plus 1 does not equal 1. It equals 3. But the number 1 is limited, but God is not limited. The three persons are all infinite, so a proper equation would be infinity plus infinity plus infinity equals infinity. God has everything, so he cannot have more. Each person of the Trinity is fully God. The Son has two natures, a divine nature and a human nature. The human nature and the divine nature are together the person of Christ. This is what we call the hypostatic union. The Son does not submit to the Father. That is wrong. But the human nature submits to the Father, not the divine nature, because God cannot submit to himself. This is too hard to understand and I'm not getting it. Can you explain it in a different way? It's hard to explain in a different way because the Trinity is nothing similar to what is in our universe. That is why we cannot use analogies to fully understand the Trinity. When you use the shamrock to explain the Trinity, you are denying how each person of the Trinity is fully God, because just one of those three leaves is not the entire shamrock. However, in the Trinity, one of those leaves would be the entire shamrock. The Church officially recognized the Trinity when the Nicene Creed was written. The Nicene Creed was written AD 325, and it was written because the emperor of the Roman Empire, Constantine, converted to Christianity, and he wanted doctrine to be nice and organized. So he summoned the bishops of the church at Nicaea, and there they had the Council of Nicaea. At Nicaea there was a dude called Arius who denied Christ's divinity. St. Nicholas told him something like, "Dude, that goes against the entire Christian religion. Jesus has to be God in order to save us, because no creature can save another creature." St. Nicholas gave Arius a slap, and that is why they wrote the Nicene Creed. It is important to know the Trinity, because we need to know that God the Father is God, and Jesus Christ is God, and the Holy Spirit is God. But we should avoid the heresy of believing in three gods, and the heresy of partialism, which is denying each person's fullness. I hope that this video helped you understand the Trinity better. God bless.